Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. I'm glad that you could stop by today. You may have seen some of my other Latisse videos, the before and after pictures, the big warning about using Latisse. If you've missed that, I will put a link to it right here. But this episode, I just had to jump in and say something because I saw a video pop up in my suggested episodes. Someone saying that Latisse was totally worth it. It's only $100 a month. And I thought, oh my God, if I was paying $100 a month, I would not be using Latisse. I would have short little eyelashes. Well, actually, mine are pretty long, but they're not very thick, and the Latisse makes them longer and thicker, so it's a win-win. But that's too much money. If you want to hear what I'm doing for Latisse, what you should be paying for Latisse, stick around because that's going to be just a little quick video just filling you in on the best place, the best way, and what you should be paying for Latisse. So my Latisse story is that I got it from my skin doctor's appointment, and that's where I learned how to do my application process correctly. Not going into the full story, but the doctor's office told me that if I'm doing my Latisse, I'm going to put one drop, small drop. Just squeeze it gently till something falls in. Take my brush. This is a pen. This is not a brush, but use a eyeliner brush, not a lot of bristles, tightly packed bristles. Put it into your drop, paint it along your top lash, go back in the second lash. Do not do your bottom lashes. If you don't know why, check out my episode right here. You don't want to do the bottom lashes. You're going to go to sleep, your lashes are going to touch top to bottom. You're doing your bottom lashes too. And that bottle lasted me for, well, my first bottle lasted me 6 months. The second bottle ran out 2 weeks ago, and I have been without Latisse for 2 weeks, and I'm going to make an episode about that, showing you how that turned out with 2 weeks of off Latisse to see what happened. But I just want to let you know that these bottles will last you, I mean, even if you don't do the tiny little squeeze and let it fall into the cap. I was doing a bigger drop now, more recently, because I've been also filling in my brows, and that takes a full drop. But you can do the tiniest of drops, and that bottle will last you 5 months if you're using the right brush. So how does that add up to $100 a month? It's like literally pennies per day. So go ahead and check out Apostrophe. They are a great company that you pay $20 for a doctor's visit. You send the doctor a photo of your lash situation, eyes open, eyes closed, and they will get back to you. And that $20 that you paid for the doctor visit is then put towards your purchase of Latisse, which if you buy it one time is $130, but don't do that. It's $110 if you get yourself on a monthly or bi-monthly, and not the bi-monthly twice a month, the bi-monthly every 2 months. I did the every 2 months. These bottles will just last you a good long time. And then also if you go in my description bar, there is a $20 off your first purchase of Latisse with Apostrophe, and they ship it to you for free. You could just order this from your sofa. You can, as long as you have some decent light to get a picture for the doctor, you're in good shape. And this is not a big investment of time or money to have really thick, long lashes. So check out that link down below. Watch that video. I'll put it in my description bar at the end about how to go into more detail on how to use the Latisse so that you don't have any bad effects of crazy things happening to you. Check out that video coming up. Well, maybe you should subscribe and hit that ring bell. Then you're notified when my episode goes up on what happened when I ran out of Latisse for 2 weeks. I'm going to fill you in on that. Appreciate you being here today, and I will look forward to next time. Until then, have a good one.